Hi, I'm Dr. Jamie Reynolds.
And I'm Dr. Andrea Dopp with Spillane and Reynolds Orthodontics.
There's a mind-numbing amount of information you have to consider before choosing an orthodontic provider. So today we're going to give you 11 things you should consider before choosing an orthodontist. Number one, it seems obvious, but is the doctor an orthodontist? Just like you'd like to trust your skin to a dermatologist or your heart to a cardiologist, you want to trust your beautiful smile to an orthodontist. They have the most training and the most skill, and it's going to give you the best odds of giving a beautiful result.
Number two, when is the right time for a first evaluation? Most kids won't get all of their permanent teeth until they're around 12 or 13 years old. However, the American Association of Orthodontics actually recommends that kids be brought in to see an orthodontist by around age 7. Now, I know you're thinking, why would my 7-year-old need braces? However, there are certain growth developments and issues that are best treated at an early age, and if caught early, are able to avoid future complications down the road.
Number three, does the office have a great reputation? You don't want to choose the provider for your beautiful smile out of a hat. Luckily, with today's technology, it's easier than ever to find out who has a great reputation. Check Google, check Facebook, Yelp, check the friend that's sitting next to you at the soccer game. Just make sure you ask around. A great doctor will also have a great reputation.
Number four, does the office treat adults? If an office is equipped to deal with complicating factors that can arise in an adult, things like missing teeth, implants, and crowns, then more than likely they're well equipped to deal with treatment of the entire family.
Number five, are the results guaranteed? So, like it or not, sometimes little Johnny doesn't wear his retainers and the teeth can shift. It doesn't happen often, but it does happen. So you want to know going in what you might be in for if you have to get braces or aligners again in the future. The second part of a guarantee is that a doctor who's confident that they're going to give you a beautiful result is more likely to give you a guarantee. They're not going to want to do things over any more than you're going to want it. So the guarantee will speak to the confidence that the doctor has that you're going to be getting what you pay for.
Number six, is the treatment cost all-inclusive? Some providers may lure you in with an initial low treatment cost and then hit you with fees later on down the road for things like broken brackets, late fees, missed appointments, Invisalign refinements, which will all add up greatly and add to your total cost. Make sure you're comparing apples to apples when you look at total cost over time.
Number seven, is the office up to date with the latest technologies? Digital scanning can eliminate the needs for those molds that make you gag. Super low dose x-rays can dramatically reduce the x-ray exposure for you or your kids. High-tech brackets can decrease the amount of trips in and out of the office, shrink treatment times, and decrease the amount of pain that you might feel during treatment. All of the technological advances that have happened over the last 5 or 10 years in our space, not really everyone's keeping up to date, unfortunately. So you should notice this from the moment you walk in the office, just by looking around. Does it seem high-tech and up to date? But if the office doesn't look up to date, make sure to ask the doctor to give you examples of the latest technologies they're using in their office. Number 8, are there affordable monthly payment and down payment options? It shouldn't cost you thousands of dollars down and unreasonable monthly payments to get the smile you've always dreamed of. In fact, if you didn't know, many offices today offer flexible monthly and down payment options. So make sure you ask your doctor's office if they offer those flexible plans.
Number 9, does the office run on time? Unfortunately, the medical community is not well known for valuing patients' time. Make sure that the orthodontic provider that you choose has a reputation of getting patients in on time and getting patients out on time.
Number 10, does the office support the community? An orthodontic office is part of the community. We treat families, we treat parents, we treat children, we treat brothers and sisters and aunts and uncles. So we should be giving back in a meaningful way to support the community that allows our office to thrive as well. Seeing the doctor's name in the local football program or on the label of a water bottle at a softball game should not be the only way the doctor is giving back to the community. Ask if they're giving away charity smiles. Ask if they're participating in local charities that aren't associated with a direct marketing benefit. So the doctor should be an active part of giving back and supporting the community that's helping them grow their office.
And number 11, does the office feel fun? Orthodontic treatment is a journey. We know that the result is a great smile, but the journey along the way should bring smiles with it as well. Have fun with it.
So there you go. There's 11 things that you should consider before choosing an orthodontist.